Harmony, help Adrian. Adrian, why do you like to fake? Hmm? Why are you always faking, huh? Harmony, don't use that. Don't use that.
Every crafty adventure needs its silly bad guy. After all, they got
I help you. Come on. Come on. I got you. You'll be free.
Adrian, what does the sheep do? Yeah. What about elephant? How about doggy? How about doggy? Yeah, dog. What does dog do? Mm-hmm. How about cat? How about cat? No? You don't know cat? Adrian, where's your nose? Good job. Can you say bye? Adrian, say bye.
Carlita's